Lovely students, welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 20, Making Music. Do you like to listen to music? Music is made up of sound. People all over the world like music. People have liked it for hundreds of years. People who write music are called composers. Most of the time, a composer does not sing or play his own music. He writes it all down in the form of notes. Those who know how to read music can understand these notes. This is how people can sing the song or play it. Lots of people like to play music. Music can be played on instruments. There are many types of musical instruments. Some of these are the piano, the violin, and the drum. People can make music as a group. A choir is a group of people who sing. An orchestra is a group of people who play musical instruments.
Vocabulary. Sound. Composer. Hundred. Form of note. Instrument. Piano. Violin. Drum. Choir. Orchestra.